Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my go-to mug cake. This is not my recipe. I will link where I found it down below, and I've been eating this for the past few weeks. It's really good. But anyway, what you'll be needing is a cup, measuring spoons, flour, brown sugar, baking powder, cocoa, milk, vegetable oil or canola oil, and vanilla extract. So first I'm just adding the 3 tablespoons of flour. I'm using white flour. Next ingredient is brown sugar. Mine's a little hard, so I'm just sort of hitting it with the spoon. The recipe calls for 2 tablespoons, but I added a little bit more just to make it taste even better. I think a lot of people don't really like mug cakes, and I've tried a few that were really bad, but this one, I really like this one, and it honestly tastes like a cake. Now I'm adding I forget what it is, 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder. And that's 2 teaspoons of cocoa, and then it was baking powder. And that is milk. I'm actually using blend cream right there because I didn't have any milk left, and it turned out pretty well with it as well. I'm using a little less than a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Alright, now that all your ingredients are together, you're just going to stir that up until it is a cake dough consistency. After that, it is ready to be put into the microwave. I'm putting mine on a lower power. I put it down on like 70%, I think, and then I'm just putting it in for about 1 minute and a little extra. You can keep putting it back in until it is the right consistency. There we go. Now this is completely optional. I just decided to make some icing. So I'm just adding some powdered sugar, water, and I'm going to be adding a little bit of margarine. I don't know how to say that, but anyway. You can also use butter. Butter is probably better. So anyway, you can just mix that until it is good for you. Alright, so now that I'm done with my icing, the mug cake is ready to take out of the microwave. So I'm going to let it sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. If you need to wait longer, that is fine too. I'm waiting a little bit even longer because I want to add my icing on top, and I don't want my icing to melt. I added cocoa to the icing there, that's why it's chocolaty. Anyways, that is it for my mug cake recipe. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. I really hope you try it out because it's super good.